Welcome to a new card making video. Today I am playing with products from Colourcraft. I die cut 2 feathers from Tim Holtz with white cardstock and I slightly wipe over with my embossing ink pad to only emboss the raised parts of the feathers. And I'm using 2 different colors of Wow embossing glitter. I will link up to the products in the description box. I'm working on the background. I already add the Colourcraft Soft Foam Relief Paste through a doily stencil onto my watercolor cardstock, and I wet the whole piece with water before I start adding color. I also want to have some shimmer on my background, so I use the Colourcraft metallic paints mixed with a little bit of water and add it to the background. I have die cut some flowers and add a little bit of shimmer and color to them. When the flowers are still wet, I crinkle them together and let them dry. When they are completely dry, I use stylus tools to give them some shape. I put a hole in the center of each flower. I use some flower stamens to put the flower together. I use double-sided tape on my cardstock where I cut the sentiment from, and I add the Colourcraft powder pigments to it. The double-sided tape lets it stick perfectly. I don't know what these white chunky things are called. I found them in the dollar store, but I think they are really nice on this card. I use white acrylic paint diluted with water for some splatters. I'm using glossy accents on the edges of the flower to add some glitter. Thank you for joining me today. Please give me a thumb up if you liked the video. Bye!